All right, this morning I have figured out how to fix this Plantation shutter top. It's a little bit different than the others down towards the bottom because those are all the same length, and you can just use the normal push pin replacements. These top ones are a little different because they actually use wooden dowels to hold them and rotate in place. So what I was able to do, I just removed them from the window because it was just a whole lot easier to figure out what to do down at ground level versus actually up on the wall. So I've got the replacement pins that you can order from Amazon, and then here's the broken off piece that was still in the frame, and then I just pulled out the pins just like on a door to get it off. A lot easier, easier to me than unscrewing the hinges. So this one I was actually able, this is the frame side. It's running away. The frame side. So once that broke, I was actually just able to pull it out with some pliers. It was pretty loose in there, but I wasn't initially sure excuse me, how to deal with the little broken off piece in here. Well, the good part was that this broke short. I did initially pull it out. So the way I pulled it out was actually just by getting a screw that has a thinner, has more of a point and a thinner shank, and screwing it into the slat, into the dowel there, and pulled it out. But after I did that, I realized that I didn't have to. So what I've done is I know that it's just about flush with the top there, given some indentation, and a little bit below. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. A little bit below the top ridge here. So, and actually putting the screw into the dowel to get it out the first time gave me a little bit of a divot right there. So that actually helped. So all I'm doing is using the replacement pin and putting it set in there, and then letting it drop into here. So I just did it a minute ago and discovered that it worked. And so just wanted to put this out there for anybody else who had to do the top and bottom ones where they were curved. It's a lot harder to do this one-handed. All right, so you could hear it drop into place there. Focus, there we go. And I already tried it before, and it still rotates nice and easily. I won't be putting any pressure on this one since it's at the top, so it'll stay in place pretty well. If I can get this thing to focus. Hopefully this helps someone else.